So there's the gear positioning sensor on the TL1000R. Sits behind the clutch basket. And the other day I was doing a little bit of resistance testing on the gear position switch because we installed a ATRE G2, and I noticed that it was having issues in the learning. So I tested it and I had some wonky erratic readings, so I tore it apart the next morning, and sure enough, this little guy right here, I tore him apart. He has 6 copper position switches. You just clean those contacts up real quick with a copper brass brush and put it back on, clean it up, and I'm going to show you what it's now testing. So first gear should actually be about 540-ish. So I need to turn. There we go. That should be first. Yeah, about 560-ish. Okay, second will be about 850-ish, I want to say. See, 840, yeah. Now third will be about 1.5K. There it is. Now it should go higher. 3, 2.7, yep. 6.85, yep, that's 5th gear. And that should be 6, 15K, yep. So that is a functioning GPS now.